Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to cancel your KiwiBank credit card. To cancel your KiwiBank credit card, you'll need to contact the KiwiBank directly through their customer service hotline, or you can simply visit the branch and talk to a customer service representative. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the contact number from the website. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in kiwibank.co.nz and search. Once you end up in the official website for KiwiBank, go ahead and click the Contact Us button at the top right corner. Now scroll down to find the hotline number for either your personal or business account. Simply go ahead and make a phone call to the number, and then you can talk to the representative about the card cancellation. They will then guide you through the cancellation process and any necessary steps, such as settling any outstanding balances. So that's how you can easily cancel your credit card for KiwiBank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.